Hey guys, today I want to talk about brake bias and brake bias kits. Here at XL Garage we now do our own brake bias kit, which you can see here that I'm holding in my hand. It comes with the brake bias block, the valve. We also do a bracket for them, which stops any extra movement and vibration and causing any damage to any of the pipes. There's a couple of versions of the brake bias blocks on the market. Ours is a one-piece block, no fittings on it. If you have a look at the car here, this has got one of our earlier versions on it. This one has the extra fittings, all right? We've gone away from those fittings now to make life a bit easier. So what you see on the car here is pretty much the same as what I have in my hand, just two different versions of blocks. Now, what we've also offering is just the brackets alone by themselves. A lot of people have already got brake bias kits from another supplier, but they don't come with a bracket. So we've made our bracket universal. There's two mounting holes there, so it'll fit the early versions of the other suppliers, and it'll also fit ours as well. So if you haven't got a brake bias kit, I highly recommend it. I was never a fan of them originally, but now we've found the benefits in them and we appreciate why we're running them. Again, any questions about any of this stuff, you know where to find me.